everyone! Today I'm showing you some of the items that all members can choose for their summer FabFitFun box. Let's get into it with the OUAI Detox Shampoo and Scalp Massager. This is a weekly detox for your hair and scalp that's made with apple cider vinegar. This product lifts away dirt and oil and also helps to remove buildup from styling products in hard water. It has a super rosy, velvety, luxurious smell. This works for all hair types and textures, so whether you have straight hair or curly hair, you can definitely benefit from using this. Back to the scalp massager, I used this morning and I love how soft the bristles are. It really did lather in the shampoo. You know, this is the dynamic duo that my shower routine was missing. All you need is a quarter size amount of the detox shampoo, lather it in with your fingers first, then you take your handy dandy scalp massager and you massage it all into your hair, even on the underside of your scalp. Make sure you lather in the product even more and wash away all your buildup and oils. Next, we have the Millie jewelry case that comes in a super cute zebra pattern. I love how many compartments this jewelry case has because you can put your rings in here, your earrings, and it has a special secret compartment where you can put necklaces and bracelets. And my favorite part, do you like looking at yourself in the mirror? Is the mirror because, well, you know. I would keep all my jewelry in this case at home, but I would also love to take it on a little trip to Palm Springs. Sun, summer, my bling, my mirror. Yes! Next we have the OUAI set of 2 resistance hip bands. The set comes with 1 medium and 1 light band, as well as a convenient carrying case so you can take it wherever you want to do your workout. I love that you can use these multiple ways. You can put them above your knees, around your ankles, or even on your arms for a nice all over burn. And if you're strong like me and you don't know which one's supposed to be light or medium, it tells you right here. It's so convenient. This is the medium one and this is the light, and I love the colors that they come with. This set either comes with a 2-month OUAI membership or a Magi Sports trigger point ball. The membership gets you access to daily lives and on-demand fitness classes, and the trigger point ball helps to alleviate those post-workout nuts. I definitely put the fit in FabFitFun. I love to work out every single day. You know, I'm out here doing some bicep curls, some push-ups, some hardcore cardio, some hip band resistance, you name it. I'm doing that workout. Next, we have the Dunn Guac and Salsa bowls with 2 spoons. These are nested ceramic bowls that are conveniently labeled so you can serve up your favorite dip in style. The set comes with 2 bamboo spoons so you can easily serve up that guac, serve up that salsa in your backyard barbecue. And I don't mean to flex, but my dad makes the best guac ever. I can't spill the recipe, but maybe you can come over one day and you can try it. And for all you Dunn lovers, you don't even have to sit outside of a store at 6 a.m. Become a FabFitFun member, choose this for your summer box, and it gets delivered right to your door. Next, we have the Sonix Bluetooth speaker. All you have to do is turn on the speaker, pair it with your favorite Bluetooth device. When the blue light goes on, you're good to go. Comment down below and let me know what you're gonna be playing out of your Bluetooth speaker. I'm gonna be playing anything by Knight Rider, and if you know, you know. I also love that it comes with this handy dandy little wrist wrap because you could just take it wherever you want on the go. Next, we have the Draper James Ruffle Nightie. It comes in this really adorable floral print and has a ruffle detail on the hem for a little extra bedtime flair. The nightie comes with a scoop neck and a thick wide strap for easy, comfortable sleeping, and it also comes in 3 different sizes. And now I'm gonna put it on so I can show you what it looks like. The nightie is super soft and comfortable. I know I could just fall asleep right now wearing it. So now we're getting into our FabFitFun throwbacks. These are past box items, and if you didn't get a chance to get them, now you can. First, we have the Business and Pleasure cooler bag. I chose this for my FabFitFun box last summer and I've used it so many times since then. I bring it out when I'm just hanging out with my family in the backyard. I'll bring it to the park when I want to have a nice little sandwich and drink there. I absolutely love this bag. It has a super cute pattern and an insulated interior, so when you bring your drinks or your food, your items are gonna stay cold. I also love that it comes with a cute little handle and a shoulder strap, so that way if you're carrying something heavy, you know, like a bottle of wine, it's not too heavy and you can just throw it over your shoulder. And if a cooler can keep a hard seltzer cold for 8 hours, it is Maddie approved. Next, we have the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Moisturizer. This is a daily gel moisturizer that soothes and moisturizes parched skin. It's packed with electrolytes to help hydrate and soothe the complexion, so you're left with that refreshed, hydrated glow. It smells very spa-like, like cucumber infused water. Oh my god, it literally smells like a spa. I love the consistency of this. I live for a gel moisturizer. They're just super soothing and I love the way that they feel on my skin. And a Maddie pro tip, you can actually pop this moisturizer into a fridge for an extra cooling, hydrating effect. All right, you guys, that's it for this category. If you're not already a FabFitFun member, make sure you sign up today so you can choose some of these amazing products. See you next season.